wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best couch caddies. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. At just over 3 feet long and a foot wide, the IKEA Flort is well suited for large couches or even beds. 4 pockets of equal size can house remotes and other small accessories, while its large compartment is a nice spot for newspapers and magazines. It comes with a removable interior metal weight and can be machine washed, but its slick exterior leads to slippage. At number 8, some noteworthy features like slim slots for writing utensils and large pockets for remote controls and books make the kovot tray an option to consider. Positioned on top is an octagonal surface that can hold small plates right on the armrest. It's made from durable polyester and wipes clean with a damp cloth. However, the tray doesn't easily stay level. Coming in at number 7 on our list, a handsome model that's designed to adjust to the size of any sofa or chair. The Nono tabletop will help eliminate the clutter that's been accumulating in your family room. It saves space and provides a handy area to place your snacks and beverages. The surface measures 11 by 6 inches and there are multiple roomy pockets on each side, but it may slip off some armrests. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for couch caddies, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, if you're not a fan of the traditional over-the-armrest design, then ditch it for the cupsy sofa organizer. Thanks to its sturdy legs that can be repositioned, this nimble model can be inserted between cushions, offering access to 2 people. It's available in 4 colors, and its flip-down arms support wine glasses. However, it's not ideal when children are present. Moving up our list to number 5. If your furniture won't support an over-the-armrest configuration, consider the Pop Baby hakacc, which hangs down below the seat. Slide the plain end under a cushion or mattress, and you can easily keep all your gear right at your fingertips. It comes with 3 small mesh compartments and is a versatile option, but it tends to slide out of place. At number 4, available in 11 attractive color options, the mdstop sofa will blend in with virtually any type of furniture or living room decor. Once it's set up, pack it with your remote control, TV guide and a Kindle to prepare yourself for hours of well-deserved relaxation. It's made from a soft, waterproof fabric and rolls up easily for storage. However, it's too narrow for many recliners. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With a refined look due to the faux leather front, the BCP Brown has 5 pockets, 4 for your remote controls or phone, and 1 for magazines or a tablet. Thanks to its 34-inch length and anti-slip backing, it stays in place better than some others too. You simply tuck the long end under a cushion, and it comes in a neutral chocolate brown color. The velvet is comfortable on your arm. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for couch caddies, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the fasthomegoods armrest has a slot with enough interior space to hold an iPad, a thick notebook, or a weighty hardcover novel. The other 2 pockets are suitable for glasses, a remote control, and smaller mobile devices. It comes with an instruction manual and a rod that helps keep it in position. Its durable fabric resists tears. And taking the top spot at our list, built with wood for enhanced strength, the ilemon sofa holder is more substantial and reliable than many of the flimsy cloth options out there. Use the 4 clasps at the bottom to adhere it to your couch or any other household surface that makes sense. The top tray is detachable and it includes a money-back guarantee. It offers greater stability than most models. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for couch caddies, or simply click beneath this video.